All right, Scott. October 16th install. We planted 1,000 bulbs today. Majority of them went in this circle bed. I think probably 60%, and the rest went in here. Digging's really bad here, just for future reference. Yeah, just kind of randomly spaced throughout the bed, so it should look really nice in the spring when nothing else is coming up. Daphs, allium, can't remember what else was in that batch. Summer also did the planters. Look really nice. Boxwoods, heuchera, some pansies. She did a really nice job. The juniper, globe juniper over here with the ornamental grasses, the pennisetum, plumbago, really super colorful. We also did a bit of maintenance here. We cut down pretty much any spent perennial we saw. Didn't really do much in the back. I think we might have cut down the hollyhocks, but that's about it. So, yeah, next visit, probably cut down. I know that Vince was asking about the grasses out by the driveway. I'm sure those will happen next time. But, yeah, productive day.